This is my Phillips electric toothbrush. One day, it fell from table and then it can't stop shaking. Pull out the Bluetooth brush head. We can find that the problem is from the inside. So, why not separate it to have a look what happened? We need a thin, strong flake to pry open it from the bottom. For me, I chose my guitar picks. Wow, let's open Practical Control for Semiconductor Manufacturing and turn to page. Just kidding. The toothbrush is still working, meaning the electronic part is good. The problem should be the machine part. Turn on the toothbrush. We can hear there's a high frequency noise, which means there might be loose somewhere. So check the screws first. We can see there's only one screw. Don't hesitate. Tighten it. Wow, finish! So easy, huh? Okay, assemble them. Wait, since it's separated, why not to explore the working principle by the way? We can see there is a brown coil in the center. To charge and discharge it repeatedly and quickly, the coil will quickly change the magnet direction. With two magnets near it, the toothbrush head will swing back and forth quickly to simulate brushing teeth. It's really a scientific and fantastic machinal structure. Okay, let's assemble them. Wow, so beautiful sound. 咦，哎呀呀呀呀！